Hi everyone, thanks for joining me for another unboxing. Today we're going to be doing another LawMate product. This is a brand new one we've got in. I'm not going to tell you what it is, we're just going to open it and I'm going to surprise you because I think it's worth it. So we'll go ahead, we'll take this top cover off. As always, these LawMate boxes are fantastic. So we're going to go ahead, pop the top off of it, and I'm going to assemble it behind the cover to increase the anticipation, and we'll see if this works or not. So this is our brand new LawMate camera. This is the coffee cup that they do. So inside the box you get the actual camera component itself. You get not one, not two, but 3 spare coffee cups. You also get your 16 gig micro SD card. As always at the Spy Store, you get one of those supplied with it with all our LawMate products. Your charging cable, which will take about 4 hours to fully charge the unit, and you also get your instruction book for the coffee cup, along with the PV Cam Quick Start Guide. So pretty exciting. I can't wait to see what it's going to do. So stay tuned, jump on the next video, and we'll do an in-depth look at it. I'll show you where all the buttons are, where the memory card goes, and all the fun stuff that it can do. Thanks for joining us, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.